The company's commitment to excellence is reflected in its state-of-the-art machinery, which incorporates the latest advancements in automation and energy conservation. This not only improves operational performance but also reduces environmental impact. Aligning with global sustainability goals, Zhongrui Machinery's products are versatile, catering to various grain types such as wheat, corn, and rice. Moreover, Zhongrui Machinery provides exceptional customer support, offering training programs and after-sales services to ensure clients achieve optimal results. By partnering with Zhongrui, companies can stay ahead in an increasingly competitive market while maintaining cost effectiveness and reliability. For those seeking reliable, efficient, and innovative flour processing solutions,